All right, Carter, so what are we doing here?
We got a sweet pressure check on an AF16. Yeah,
Okay,
AF16.
So the customer bought the parts, right? And then
customer bought the parts, assembled, him and his friend assembled himself. Surprisingly with Honda Bond recommended, but it's still, so we have our little, this is, you know, you can buy expensive Motion Pro tester setups, but this is kind of what we've developed. And this is all kind of like Home Depot and hardware store stuff. So you get, you get yourself a, what is it, gas line checker.
Yeah.
And you want to get a gauge that, this one's probably a little high. This goes up to 15, but that's okay. You want to get one that's, you know, 15 or lower as far as that's concerned. So, because you only want to be able to read 1 to like 6 PSI, so it's got to be accurate. Pump it up, block everything off, block the intake off, block the exhaust off. This one, you pressurize through the spark plug hole. Sometimes the testers, like this is Chris's setup, you can pressurize through the intake manifold, which can potentially work a little bit better because then you're putting more pressure up here so you can test these fittings. But anyway, this one's, you pump it up and then it leaks the pressure out instantaneously. It's basically not even a pressure check because it leaks out right away. So we're going like, oh my God. This bike, when you started up the idle, probably hung at like 4,000 RPMs. Like it was enough that the bike would pull itself forward.
Okay, and where did you see the leak? You know, show them what.
Yeah, so the leak is basically pump it up. So this one, the base gasket is just dumping out, which is surprising because it's got Honda Bond. So.
Okay.
How's it going, buddy?